Pause ka na.
Teka lang guys, chill lang muna kayo dyan. We're having some technical difficulty with my in-ear. So, relax and ayun! Thank you so much, Ate Kay. Thank you.
Okay lang.
May request pala ako guys before I sing the next song. Pwede ba natin buksan yung mga ilaw ng phones natin? Pailawin po natin ang Newport Performing Arts Chair. Yun. Hindi magbabago, ikaw ang ibigin ko. Kahit ikaw ay ilusyon at masaktan ako, asahan na di magbabago. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya't dapat mong malaman, minsan na kitang ibigin, minsan na kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y wala hangganan, dahil minsan isang katulad mo, ako'y iba'y puso'y sumasalo, sa puso pa sa'yo, ikaw dahil nalangin ako. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo, kung kaya't dapat mong malaman, minsan ang bansin kita iibigin, minsan na kita mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo hanggang dahil ang minsan ay magpapailanman. Minsan ako, minsan na kita iibigin, minsan na kita mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil ang minsan ay magpapailanman. Dahil ang minsan ay Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you guys so much for joining me here tonight. I want to dedicate my final song to you, to my dear fans, my friends, my family, my defenders, and everyone who made this all possible. You guys are my angels. You guys solidified my career. Sabi ko kanina, di ba, bababa ako, lalapit ako dun sa mas malakas yung sigawan. So saan na ako bababa? Saan na ako lalapit? Sige, tignan natin. Let's do this. but I'm finally here tonight. Picking up the pieces of the night into the night, into the sense of everybody. My heart and future lies. There's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dreams came true when I found you. I found you. My miracle. If you could see what I see, for the answer to my prayer. When I found you, my miracle. You see what I see. You're the answer to my prayers. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear that angels love me. You can see what I see. Oh, the answer to my prayer. They brought me here, and with you, you feel it's thank you guys so much. Thank you for the prize. Thank you for having you guys are the best. Thank you everybody. Please take care. Ingat po kayo mo uwi. Maraming salamat. Mahal po kayo. Thank you guys so much for the 10 years. And hopefully 10 more years and 10 more years after that. God bless you guys. Good night. Thank you.